Let's have a look at the espresso machine. An espresso machine is used to produce the world-famous Italian beverage called the espresso. The espresso machine allows you to create the heart of every single coffee beverage, the real way to completely enjoy the world of coffee. Espresso machines are often very high-tech and modern. They are machines that require skill, expertise, patience, and practice to operate properly and produce exceptional coffee. The espresso machine is made up of an on and off switch, a cup heating tray, a steam pressure gauge, a group head with an on or off switch, a portafilter, a steam wand with an on or off knob, a hot water on or off switch, the hot water spout or tap, the water pressure gauge, and lastly, the drip tray. The parts described above are relatively self-explanatory, but let's have a look at a few of the tools that go with the espresso machine and to see what their function is. The portafilter. The portafilter holds the basket, which in turn holds the ground coffee that pulls the shot of espresso. It is important to keep the portafilter warm and clean at all times, and the spouts must be kept free from coffee grounds. There is a small spring around the rim of the portafilter which is used to hold the basket securely. The portafilter has a handle which assists in placing and tightening this tool into the espresso machine. The portafilter basket. This basket fits into the portafilter to hold coffee grounds and pull a shot of espresso. Some establishments would prefer using only the double shot portafilter basket and never the single shot portafilter basket. If you do, however, use the single basket, you will need to adjust the grind constantly to maintain espresso consistency. Remember though that you cannot only dose enough coffee for a single shot into a double basket. The dosing must be the same amount regardless of a single or double shot if in a double basket. The blind filter. The blind filter is a stainless steel basket or plastic plug that is placed inside the portafilter after the basket is removed, and this is used at the end of every day for cleaning purposes. The blind filter holds the specific detergent used and is used to backflush and clean the espresso machine. Let's have a look at cleaning and care for the espresso machine. The purpose of cleaning your espresso equipment is to achieve better control of the brewing process and to obtain the best taste in coffee. Let's have a look at how we do this. Step 1. Remove the portafilter basket and replace with the blind filter. Step 2. Put the required amount of espresso machine detergent into the blind filter and secure the portafilter to the group head. Step 3. With the portafilter attached, backflush your machine by running the group with water 5 times in 10 seconds in start and stop intervals. Step 4. Remove the portafilter, throw away the leftover bits, and then run the group again to rinse the group head. Step 5. Use the appropriate coffee tool provided to get rid of any residual oils or loose grinds in and around the group head. Do this by running the water and using the brush to clean around the group head. It needs to be spotlessly clean. Step 6. Reattach the portafilter and backflush 5 more times in 10 seconds, again with stop-start intervals, this time without detergent. Step 7. Once again, remove the portafilter and run the group to rinse clean. Step 8. Now, remove the blind filter and replace with the normal filter insert. Run it and then throw away a few shots of espresso to get your machine ready. Please note that the pulling of the shots will only be done when you are cleaning machine at the start of each day and before service begins. It should not be at the end of the day cleaning process. Step 9. Using the appropriate caffeine wrench, unscrew the tip of the steam wand. Step 10. Turn on the steam to allow the water and steam to run through and rinse. Step 11. Use the provided steam wand cleaner to clean inside the steam wand. Step 12. Turn on the steam wand again to rinse out all the milk residue. Step 13. Use the appropriate coffee tools to clean the portafilter baskets and portafilter handles. A good idea would be to soak your baskets and portafilter handles in an appropriate cleaning solution. Step 14. Using a clean, damp cloth, wipe the sides, the top, the drip tray, the bottom dip trays, and the panels of the espresso machine. Now your machine is spotless, and you can rest assured that the coffees you